Hi, this video will give a quick walkthrough for the BrainSTEM Quizzes Google Sheets add-on. This is an add-on that helps teachers, particularly STEM teachers, make quizzes that they can publish to Google Forms to use with Google Classroom or to Google Docs in which they can print out. Let's get started. Upon installing the add-on, go to the Extensions drop-down menu in a new Google Sheets file. Go down to BrainSTEM Quizzes. You can control all the aspects of the add-on from this menu. Click on Open BrainSTEM Quizzes to begin. This will open up a sidebar for you to navigate from. There are only two buttons to control the add-on. Let's start with the quiz editor. With no entries in my Google Sheet, the editor will be empty. I can select the sheet name that holds my quiz questions here. I can also add a new question with this plus icon here. Here's an additional button to load a sample quiz. I'll get to that later. When I add a new question, I can see some fields to start editing my first question. I can add an image, an equation, and set what type of question this is. Let's add an image first. I can either add an image by using the URL from somewhere online or upload an image from my computer. I'm going to upload an image. There. This is an image of a mass pulley diagram. I'm going to save it to this question by clicking OK. Next, I'm going to add an equation just to show what that's like. I can type in a math equation here that supplements the image. This math editor supports a lot of math operations like fractions, integrals, exponentials, and more. Now I'm going to edit the actual text of the question. I'm going to select the type of question I want to use. I can choose from free-form questions, multiple choice, and true-false questions. I'm going to select the multiple choice question with math options. Now I'm going to fill out the possible answers using the math editor for each choice. I need to select the correct answer for this multiple choice question. Finally, if everything looks good, I'm going to click Save at the bottom to save the quiz to my spreadsheet. I can see that this one question has been saved in the first row of the sheet. Let's go back to the quiz editor and add another question. I'm just going to add another math question and fill out the possible answers. I can also set how many points this question is worth. Ideally, more points means a higher difficulty. I can save this, and now I'm done with my 2-question quiz. Now I'm going to load the question bank from sheet 2. It's empty, so I'll just load a sample quiz to get started. This quiz has 3 questions, and if I'm happy with this, I can click on the Preview and Publish button to publish my quiz to my Google Drive. That brings me to this page where I can preview what my quiz looks like. On the left here, I can specify different settings to help me publish my quiz. I can choose to randomize the multiple choice questions. I can also randomize the order of the questions. To discourage cheating, I can make up to 4 versions of the quiz, each with their individual answer keys and version label. I can also choose how many questions I want in each quiz. If my question bank has, for example, 20 questions, I can choose 10 of those 20 at random. Finally, I can choose to generate quizzes as Google Forms or Google Docs. I'm going to rename the quiz and then publish it. Perfect. It says that 2 quiz versions have been published to my Google Drive. This is version A, and this is version B. And you can see as I scroll through version A, the questions are randomized, as are the multiple choice options. As I scroll through version B, you can see that it is different from version A. Now I'm going to go back and publish quizzes to Google Doc files so that they can be edited and printed out. Here you can see version A of the quiz, and all the fields are now editable in Google Docs. I can change the formatting, add more images, and publish to a PDF. And at the very end of this file is the answer key automatically generated. And just for completion, here's version B of the quiz with its answer key. And that's it. BrainSTEM Quizzes is free to use with some optional upgrades. Download it to give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'm always open to feedback. Thanks for watching.